basically, I someone discovered an entity. So basically, it appears in any room with a window, and I'm gonna try to find it today. Probably it spawns in any room with a window. So we're kind of paranormal hunters now in Pressure, even though the ambiance is already paranormal enough already. So I'm just gonna try to look back on footage just to see if I can find it.
Please exit the subway.
Oh man. Ooh, 56. The stock is actually so cool. For some reason, like from specific POVs, I can't see like the window lights this far, unfortunately. But I'm gonna try. Well, I think that's for cars actually. But there's no crouch practice. Oh, never mind, there is. Now let me guess. Bro. What the heck were these for again? I remember seeing them in like a lot of Riverside talks, but I think I'm gonna go before. I'm also like it's like early in the morning, so I'm eating breakfast right now. Like, it's just bread. No, like, it's literally just bread. I have a feeling this is like the maximum backup room because this like it has a spawn chance of makes it their rarest room. Bro. What even is this? Okay, wait. Are you kidding me? Ooh. Rare office room. You could probably like make money from these books just by like selling them or donating to like library or something. I think I saw it. Let's go swimming. No actual way. The only time I find a defibrillator is the time when I'm playing solo. Bro, there's no way I found this thing when I'm playing solo. Bro, that is honestly crazy. It's kind of sad how I have this like weird orange thing blocking my vision now. And whenever I like look up just really fast, it's just like I Z fight with it. I become one with the defibrillator on my back, bro. Did the lights just flicker right now? Look, I'm still in the water. That's the cleanest shot I've ever had so far. I have a bad feeling about this room. Oh, it's a good feeling. I thought it was going to be a bathroom as well. That's only a 10,000, so it's very unlikely actually. to be one of the weirdest rooms, like, ever. Oh my, it's a keycard door. The password is listed right there, bro. What's the guys, what's the password? 6969 042 8952. Is this a rare room? Because I never gotten this room before. This is really cool. There's an observation thing, you know. Oh, never mind. I actually gotten this room before. If y'all remember from that endless 4.5 run. If y'all remember. Well, no one ever watched that video. So. Took its sweet time by walking up the stairs door. Ah. Do 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 do. Mushrooms. Still chose to walk up the stairs after that, bro. Never mind, it didn't. It's just a front door. Why is that button? You can get DSBs in here? Chat, what? Take my defibrillator. That is crazy. Whoa, 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 no. No! What did I do? Bro, was it crying? No! No one can hear anything. I'm so evil. No. I'm literally so evil. I deserve a taste of that. Oh, now the lights flicker too. Did y'all see that angle like come up on my screen and then I just... Bro, I'm so evil. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's just a vial. How am I surviving after that? Bro, I don't think it's been like a proper doors since the last node. Especially good. Bro. How many times have we gone this one single room now? Twice? I don't know.
It seems like Navi will be guiding you through our maintenance tunnels.
Welcome back, user. Thruster speed has been adjusted to your preference. Have fun.
You do? Wait, what the? Wait a minute, weren't we not allowed to like take this thing on joyrides according to the rules of the glider? Good music. Oh look, it's abomination. Got the way, little abomination. Oh no. Walking. Popping the music and rock your body. I'm not doing that anymore. But I have to chase this thing now.
Danger. Danger.
Why didn't you do that earlier?
Please do not listen to the agency department.
No. I don't know.
Any damage sustained to urgency equipment will be taken from your side. Danger.
I was so close to beating it. I just had to go through that tunnel.
What happened?
Oh my gosh, bro.
Did you for a second think, oh, maybe I shouldn't let myself fall into the jaws of the big bad prehistoric crocodile that's swimming right towards me? No? Alright, you were lost.
Well, I was literally so close. Whatever. I want to look back at footage and see if I found the mask thing yet. Bye.